Welcome back to another deep dive by Gen HQ, where we look at tools that actually change the game for creators. Today, we are tackling a major pain point: how to take your long-form content and slice it into high-traction short-form videos without losing your mind. We are looking at Vizard, a tool that promises to handle the heavy lifting of turning podcasts and live streams into viral-ready clips. Think of Vizard as an autopilot for your editing suite, specifically designed to find those bite-sized moments that catch fire on social media. It automatically identifies emotional beats, intense reactions, and hot takes, then formats them for your platform of choice. The interface is incredibly clean and template-driven, making it very approachable even if you are not a professional video editor. One of my favorite features is the built-in library of templates that help you create punchy hooks and captioned explainers in seconds. The software also manages basic sound design, automatically leveling your audio so your voice pops against the background track. Now, why would you choose this over other fancy generative AI video tools you might have seen on social media? Those generative models are great for creating wild cinematic visuals or turning still images into animated scenes, but they lack workflow efficiency. Vizard isn't trying to invent physics or create fake characters. It is optimizing the content you already have for mass distribution. This distinction is critical when you need to produce dozens of clips from an hour-long interview without burning your entire week. If someone delivers a hot take at the 13-minute mark, the software finds it and packages it immediately. My top tip for better results: make sure your source footage is clean, with stable lighting and clear audio to start with. If you feed the system messy audio or disjointed camera angles, even the smartest AI is going to struggle to smooth things out. Also, remember that you are in control. If a clip feels a bit too fast, you can jump in and adjust the speed ramping yourself. The pricing model is tiered, so you should start with the lower plans to see exactly how many high-quality clips you get from your specific content. When I tested this on sports footage, it did a great job grabbing the key reactions and goals rather than trying to recreate the motion. The scheduling feature is the real unsung hero here, letting you set a consistent posting cadence without manual daily uploads. Imagine the time you save by approving a week's worth of content in one sitting instead of fighting with social apps every single day. To get the absolute best fidelity, provide a clean lead-in or prelude frame for your clips, so the AI understands the context. Ultimately, Vizard acts as a practical co-pilot that lets you focus on your creative spark rather than the repetitive busy work. You should absolutely use this alongside those flashy generative tools to build a balanced, high-output media machine. Check the link in the description to try it out for yourself and see how your content transforms with this workflow. Gen HQ is here to help you reach that top 1% of creators, so make sure to like and comment on what we should cover next. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on taking a full podcast to 10 scheduled shorts, just drop a comment and I will get right on it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next deep dive.